Hey guys, it's me Vaishnavi. Welcome back to another video. This week we're doing an updated room tour video.
Staring at herself in the mirror on the restroom door. Voices in her.
So it has been quite some time since I've done a room tour video. It was probably 1 year ago. It's like up on my channel in case you guys want to check that out. But at the time I did my room tour video, it was just when we got shifted into this new house. So a lot of things have changed, and yeah, I'm sure you guys would enjoy this video. In case you guys would like to watch more of my videos, I would prefer you guys to subscribe to my channel. It would mean the world to me. And I have a question of the day. So the question is, where are you guys watching this from? I would love to see where my subscribers are from. So just comment down below, where are you watching this from? I am from Bihar, Patna, and I'd love to see people watching my videos from all over the country and all over the world. So just comment down below, where do you live and where are you watching this from? So that's pretty much all for the intro. Now without any further ado, let's move on to the video. So we're starting near the door. You can see the door is right there, and like it's nothing special. So here you can see I have my desks. This one is mine, and this one belongs to my little brother Divyansh, and my side is pretty clean, but this side is not clean. So, and in case you guys want to see what is inside both of those drawers kind of thingies, then you can just check the video out. It's up on my channel. I posted it about 3 months ago, and I'd be sure to link it down in the description box. Coming right below, we can see that here I have a lot of art pieces kind of things, and all of them are made by me except this one because it's a printout, and rest every single one of these are made by me and decorated by me, and I love it so much. I love my winning photo because this just has a very special place in my heart, and I love it so much. And we have the switches. This one is the charger switch, the charger, and this one is the light switch. And here I have my school bag, which I haven't touched in like a lot of time. Like I haven't touched it since March because we don't have to go to school, right? We just have to do the work. And I have my notebooks and books over here. So I mean, nobody like uses their school bag at home because I mean, why would you? And here's like a very quick overview of what's inside. That's the top, and this is the bottom. It's very clean right now, surprisingly, but it just looks really good right now because it is clean, and I managed to clean it in like 30 minutes. And I mean, cleaning is not my cup of tea, but I did clean it, so I mean, it's nice. And here is the Vyan's side of the drawer, and it is not very clean, so I'm not even gonna open it. And coming right next, we have the wall with the wallpaper. You can see like it has a very abstract design on it, and I didn't want my room to be pink, but this new house was a surprise for me, so all like the colors of the walls and all were decided by my parents. So I mean, I don't hate pink, but I don't love it either. But yeah, I think this matches really well with the whole aesthetic and all, and that is why I have a red star over there, because red and pink are like a combo. And here we have the curtains and the AC, nothing special. And yeah, you guys have never seen what's in these two drawers because they both are very messy, and it won't be good to show these to you, but you guys can just have a little sneak peek. It's like full of miscellaneous items which we like use very frequently, and this has a lot of art supplies and stuff. And here we have a lot of things, my tripod holder, like my tripod packaging, I'll say. And this drawer is very miscellaneous, like some awkward things which we don't use that often because we just don't. And this drawer is the most like disregarded one in my room. So yeah, and now when we move on to this side, all my walls are baby pink, and you can see we have the door, and here we have our double bed. It has like this blue and white kind of thingy going on, but whatever. And here we have my beautiful bed. I love the way these diamonds are like just sparkling every time I look here. I mean, it's such a pretty design, right? And here I have the curtains once again, and in case you guys want to see what's the view from here, it's just like outside my apartment. I'm not going to be opening the window because it would be like a struggle to close it. And moving right on, we have my closet. You can see like it's on the side of the room, and it is very thin, but it holds a lot of things in it. If you guys want to have like a little sneak peek, you can. I'm sure you guys want me to do a closet tour or something like that, but here's like a quick overview of everything that's inside. And yeah, I'm not going to be showing everything in detail because that would be long. And up there I don't store anything because it's like very far from my reach, and if I would store anything in there, I'd probably store something which I don't use that often. Now for my favorite part of this whole entire room, you can see the ceiling. It is like the prettiest thing in the whole entire world. It has purplish, pink and blue lights and a white ceiling fan, and we have ceiling lights all over, and we have two bulbs because those are important. And I think that's it for my room. My room is not very special, it is just really normal, but yeah, you guys wanted me to do this video, so I'm doing it. This is not a very long video, so I mean, I was not having any idea of posting this week that what should I post, so I just thought why not do an updated room tour. So I think you guys would enjoy this. That was pretty much it for today's video. Don't forget to answer the question of the day, which is where are you guys watching this from? And I think that's all I want to say. In case you guys did enjoy this video, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, and also to hit that big red subscribe button down below and the little post notification bell right next to it to get notified every time I post a new video. By doing this, you'll become the member of the hashtag notification squad and one of my miracle fam members. And I would be sure to see you all next week in my next video. I post videos on every Wednesday, and I feel you guys enjoyed this video. That's all I wanted to say. I'll see you guys in my next video. Until then, goodbye. Trying to look cute, check. Hey guys, it's me Vaishnavi. Welcome back to another video. This week we are doing an updated